So you want to get started making money on Amazon, but you're not sure which direction you should go with. Should you go with Amazon FBA or should you take a look at Kindle Publishing? In this video, I'm going to give you my thoughts. Hey everybody, I'm Emeka. I do 3 things here. I show you how to increase your income so you can take back your freedom, so you can design that ultimate lifestyle. So you want to make some money online, you've chosen Amazon as your way to go. What do you start with? Should you start with Fulfillment by Amazon or should you start with Kindle Direct Publishing? I'm going to give you a couple thoughts and let you make that decision at the end of the video. So let's take a look at why you'd want to start your business on Amazon. I think one of the top reasons is you're utilizing Amazon's platform and Amazon's traffic already. There are millions and millions and millions of people going to Amazon to buy products every single day. They are by far the dominant force for e-commerce online. They have over 300 million credit cards that have a one-click option where customers can buy products from TVs to dishwashers to ebooks at a click of a button. You just can't compete with Amazon on that scale. Using their traffic means you don't have to run ads. You don't have to find your own traffic. Amazon gives you all of their traffic. You just got to find a way to get your products in front of them. So let's take a look at KDP first. A couple things that I love about Kindle Direct Publishing. Number one, it's the low startup costs. You can get a book written and published on Amazon for around $300. A lot less if you actually do a lot of the writing yourself and take care of a few things. But if you just outsource everything, you can get a book up on Amazon for $300 or less. And number two, you can have that book start making money within 48 hours. You can actually see sales in your dashboard within 48 hours of your book going live. That is phenomenal. That return on investment, or that time period that you can make your return on your investment, is huge. Another really attractive thing about Kindle Publishing is the small learning curve. There's no coding, there's no dealing with shipping or freight or any of that fun stuff. All you have to do is understand how Amazon works, how keyword and niche research works, that you're going to learn anyways. But the learning curve is just so small that anybody can do it. And when I say anybody, I mean anybody can figure it out. It's a really simple process, and that's why it's been so attractive for so many newbies to get started with. And it's pretty passive. It's very low maintenance. Once your books are up on Amazon and they start selling, there's very little you have to do to them. You might run a couple AMS sponsored ads for them. You check in with those every few days or once a week, whatever the case is. But other than that, you can literally walk away from the business and it's going to keep generating a revenue for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That can't be said for FBA, where you have to make sure you're checking supply levels, ordering new supplies, and doing all of those type of things. Now, why is FBA something you want to consider? Well, think about the end game. What is your end game? Do you want to scale up and build a business that's going to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month? If that's your ultimate goal, then forget KDP. You have to go with Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA allows you to scale up to massive levels, a lot higher than Kindle Direct Publishing's ever going to let you do. So that's a massive reason that people want to get started with Amazon FBA. But the startup costs are going to be a lot higher. To start properly, you're going to need $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 to really get started. I'm not talking about bootstrapping, $500 to order one product and cross your fingers that it takes off. I'm talking about getting a couple grand, ordering 5 different products, marketing them properly, throwing ads on them, and really building your business the right way. Well, you said you wanted to build a 6-figure a month business with Amazon FBA. Well, this is what it's really going to take. There is a lot more opportunity with Amazon FBA than there is with Kindle Publishing, and that's something to keep in mind as well. With Amazon FBA, you're not only dealing with physical products, but you can private label these products and turn them into your own brand, but then take that brand and go off of Amazon, sell it through your own e-commerce store as well to increase your profits. So there's that opportunity that's available as well, which once again, that really helps build up that 6-figure a month business. But the learning curve with Amazon FBA, it's going to be much steeper and a lot more costly than it is going to be with Kindle Publishing. There's a lot more you have to deal with in terms of getting the products shipped all the way from China, dealing with freight and customs, brokers, and all of that fun stuff, getting them to the Amazon warehouses, and making sure you have systems in place for reordering and all of that. There's a lot more that you have to have on your plate. So the learning curve is a lot steeper. But those are just a couple of quick thoughts. If you have any questions or if I missed something, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, everybody, I'm Emeka, and speak to y'all soon.